Hey, my friends, this is Mrs. DLC, and guess what? It's another unboxing. Give me a second and we'll get started. Hang on. Hello, my friends, and welcome to my channel, Mrs. DLC. Those of you who are subscribers, thank you for tuning back into this video. Those of you who are new to my channel, welcome, and I hope you see something that intrigues you that you want to subscribe. So if there's anything that you all would like to see on my channel, put it in my comments and we'll see if we can do a video on it. So we have an unboxing today, and this unboxing is from Coach. This is an accessory that I wanted to get to go along with my navy Empire bag. And this is some footwear. This is some footwear from Coach. It's my first time opening this. I'm not sure what it looks like. Hopefully they are new and not worn. So there's the packaging. And let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at her. Oh, I love. All right, so you see the jean print, and the thread here looks more like the honey brown. So I can see me wearing this with my navy Empire bag. I have it in a 40. And hold on a second. Let me grab it so we can see what all of this looks like. Let's put it all together. So you can admire it a bit. How about we sit it here? You take a look at that while I grab mine. Look how that goes. What a nice look to the shoe. I could see me wearing this going to the airport, a casual day with my Empire 40 and my little kicks here. I also, when it's like don't want to get your hair done and it's in the middle, I did get the app. So we have our shoe, our Empire, and our cap, and we are ready to go. Now, not only do I think that goes really well with the navy, is we also have our Brooklyn 39, and we can also pair our shoe and our cap with the Brooklyn 39. So these, I'm going to try them on to see what they look like. Well, maybe I can try it on now. I don't have on any socks, so you will not see my feet. I will put this one on, and I'm going to let you know. Maybe I can tilt the camera down. Maybe I could tilt it a bit so you can see what it looks like. But I am so excited about this. Okay, all right, I have it on, and these look to be true to size. All right, let's see. Can you see? Can you see? All right. When you can still get your leg up there and you can show that shoe. All right, it's a nice fit. So they're true to size. If you're looking at getting the Coach sneakers, this, let's see, what's the official name for these? This is the Highline Signature Denim. Highline Signature Denim. Love, love, love them. They look like and feel as if they're going to be very comfortable. So I am going to definitely wear these, and I'll give you a review after we wear them to let you know if they are very comfortable. The padding, there's some padding on the sides, and that's what makes it feel so soft all the way through. I'm really liking these. Okay, people, if you're in the market for some shoes to go along with your empire, there you are. There you are. It is there for you. Let's see. Here we go. Nice, nice, nice. Thank you all. This is Mrs. DLC signing off. Would you like? Would you comment? Would you subscribe? It is all free. Thank you all, and I'm signing off. Have a blessed day.